This is INFINIX Note 12 2023, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first thing to do is to launch the Wi-Fi settings page by either touch and holding at the control panel shortcut like that, or you can also do that through the settings app and go in for the Wi-Fi category. Then tap at the network that you would like to share. At the network details page to your bottom right, you'll see the share option, so go for it. And the following page will provide you with the network QR code that you can further scan with any device you would like to connect to the same Wi-Fi network. So simply scan this QR code, and the aforementioned device, should it be, well, phone, tablet, or whatever is that you have, it will be automatically connected to it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.